Hi, my name is Nicholas, your product specialist here at SherWeb. Today I'm going to show you how to do OneDrive backup and restore. So the first thing you want to do is click on the Microsoft Office 365 tab and then go select all the users. You're going to see a whole list appear in front of you. Then you're going to have two options. First, it's going to be a group backup. The other option is going to be individual backup. To proceed with the group backup, we'll just click on the group backup button on the right side. Then we want to change from mailboxes to OneDrive. We can then change the name of our backup to something like OneDrive, and let's put all for this example. Okay. Then we have all item backup. By default, the backup will be done in SherWeb Cloud Storage. It's also good to know that once a day, these backup will occur, and you can then choose the retention and change the encryption settings if you want to enable this feature. You can then click on the apply button if you want to apply the backup plan to all the people within the organization. To back up a specific OneDrive, select the user and then click on the backup button on the right side. You can then change what to backup to OneDrive and then change the name if you want. For this example, I chose to give the backup plan the name of the user I'm backing up. You can then choose the items to backup. In my case, it will be all. Then by default, we have a SherWeb Cloud Storage, also the once a day schedule, but we can change the retention or the encryption as we've seen earlier. Then when you're ready, just click on apply. After your backup plan is applied, you will see the status of your backup at backup scheduled. And the reason behind this is because the servers and Microsoft are syncing once a day. So if you want to run your backup now, simply click on the Run Now button. While this is backing up, we'll just go in the backup section to find our backups. And then I will show you how to restore. Here we can see we have our user. I will simply click on it. Once it's selected, I will click on the right button, Show Backups. We can see we have one restoration point with the size, and we're going to have two different options, which are entire OneDrive or files and folders. I'm going to start with the entire OneDrive. By just clicking on the button, you're going to have by default the drive to recover to, which is going to be the user you backed up. But you can choose an alternated user if you want. Then you can choose to recover or not the sharing permission. And finally click on Start Recovery to then choose to overwrite or not the existing files. And now I'm going to show you how to do a restore for a specific item in your OneDrive. Simply go back and choose Files and Folders instead of entire OneDrive. Once you click on it, a browser will open from which you can search and browse to find the item that you want. Here, let's go in this folder and find the Excel file that we wanted. From there, we're going to have two options, either recover or download. So I'm going to show you how to recover first. Simply click on the recover button and then you can select the drive. By default, it is going to be the user from which you're recovering, but you can choose another user in your tenant. Then for the path, you can create a custom path or original location and then select to recover the sharing permission as well. The only thing left will be to click on the Start Recovery button to then choose to overwrite or not the existing file, after which a panel will open to show us the progress of our recovery. And now it's done. So I'm now going to show you how to do a download instead of a recover. So you simply click X and get back in the backup section. You want to select the backup we previously opened. Just show backup and recover on files and folders. We'll go in our folder, select the file and click on download. You now have access to the file that you're looking for.